Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Huzaifa bin Taufik and my partner is Amirkwan bin Fadli. Our project is about Arduino plant self-watering system. And let's start with our introduction. Arduino Uno Ref3 assembly used for transfer code that has been made and compiled. Since in this technology era, we are all mostly busy with our daily work. Plants are important to us because it produces oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide and also main part of cooling our Earth's atmosphere. By having self-watering plant system, you will need to worry about the plants not having enough water. Our objective is to save more time for the person who manage the garden to do other works without moving place to places. Also to prevent plants from drying in a hot weather while having perfect amount of water without overflowing the soil. And lastly, to try to make technology useful to the nature around us. Our market potential is very cheap and easy to install it on flower pot plants. One step to Internet of Things, which is IoT, since now everyone wants to find a way to something automatically to save their time, and also doesn't need to keep watering plant while having safe watering plant system. Our generally with this, gardener can use this as a backup for watering in case they are area. Help to produce a healthy plant. Save time and energy, not using lot of water, well, not using lot of power since it can be powered with batteries. And also moisture level can be adjusted to make at what time for the water to flow.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirkwan Mifadli. So today I'm gonna continue about how do we test our project, the self-return system. Yeah, let's get into it.
Bye bye. Bye.
So you have watched about the video that we test out our self-return plants. So how does it work? We mostly rely on soil moisture system. The coding for it that we set on the certain moisture level to make the water pump up if the criteria met. So basically, how does it work? If the soil moisture detect dry land, it will send out a signal to relay module to open up the pump to so the water can go in. So that's all for our video. Thank you.